Siblings in the media, they have this amazing bond. They're best friends, and they do everything together. And that is such a beautiful story. I could only hope for that. I think that sometimes seeing these really beautiful examples of sibling relationships in the media can sometimes leave families like mine feeling frustrated because this is not the story that we had.
This boy and girl coming home from school look quite content with life. And why not? They're looking forward to an important date, dinner at home with the family. What's the matter? Doesn't that sound exciting to you?
We are siblings. We are 7 years apart, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're kids, it's a lot. We grew up being very interested in very different things at different times of our lives, and it took us a very long time to actually start getting along.
And here are Jimmy and Sue and Jean and the rest of the gang. They seem to be having a wonderful time.
This afternoon we're riding to nature and me. We laugh and play, it keeps us gay. Nature and me. A big eye like me belongs where little birdies sing their song. Skies are blue the whole day through for nature and me.
They have this amazing bond. They're best friends, and they do everything together. I could only hope for that.
My goodness, Molly is certainly growing up.